is Fatima Adam Imam.
Muhammad Taslim Harun.
My name is Saifullah Kali Shamsuddin. I'm Alamin Abubakar Ibrahim.
Fatima Idris Machina.
Aisha Mutmaina Adebi.
Abdulbasir Bada, and I'm a student of Olive International School.
Abdul Halim Ma'awiya. I am the head boy of Olive International School.
Bilkis Umar.
Salamatu Tajo.
Ali Ibrahim Kolo.
Abdullah Shafiu.
Abdullah Muhammad Awad.
Aisha Adam.
Khadija Abubakar Yankakayo.
The school is an Islamic-oriented school which started in September 2011. The school covers what you call conventional school as well as Islamia.
I started with Olive in 2013 as a classroom teacher. I'm now the head of secondary section.
Olive International School is situated in a serene and conducive environment suitable for excellent learning. We operate cross-national and international curriculum that prepares our learners to be relevant in this 21st century's reality. The school is spread across 2 campuses where we offer only the approved subject by government, plus some international subjects such as Montessori, elementary literature, and spelling practice as obtainable in schools in the US and the United Kingdom. The school has well-equipped ICT laboratory with computers available for every learner to use.
The thing I like about my school is that the teachers are kind and generous.
It's the computer activities, sports, and the creative arts.
It's an Islamic-oriented school that teaches us to be humble.
It provides morals that will help you later in life.
It is a bit advanced in the technological aspect.
I love my school because it helps me learn so many things. Because it is both Western and Islamic school.
Sports and practicals.
I like my school because it has the best learning environment.
It teaches us good morals and values.
We have 24-hour supply of electricity powered by solar. Our classrooms, library, and science laboratories are well furnished with all necessary facilities. Parents and other people have continued to rate the school very high due to its blended curriculum that grooms learners at every stage of their academics.
We welcome the whole world to come and see what is obtainable at Olive. Our core values range from growth to tolerance, open-mindedness, worship, as well as humility.
At Olive International Schools, learners' health is given top priority. Our trained nurses administer treatment to learners who fall sick during school hours. During recess, learners are closely monitored to avoid plays that might injure them.
I want to be a medical doctor because I like to help people and I like to see people alive.
I want to be a robotic engineer. Olive has really helped me because it teaches us some artificial intelligence languages like the HTML, Python programming language, which we will use to make robots.
I would love to be a pediatric doctor, and Olive International School is helping me by expanding our horizon in subjects like physics, biology, and chemistry, which are the core subjects of the sciences.
I want to urge the community at large to enroll their children into Olive International School because we don't joke with the moral upbringing of our learners in Olive International School.
I want to be an automobile engineer, so Olive has helped me by producing me the core subjects that will help me with my goal.
I want to become a medical doctor in future because I want to treat the people who are sick or injured.
I intend to become a doctor in future because I'd love to save people's lives. The school is preparing me for that by teaching us subjects like basic science, chemistry. I would like to become a pediatrician because I love children and I will be able to take care of them.
I intend to become an engineer in the future because I'm interested in the process of building cars.
Olive International School is the right place to bring your child. Come on, come on.